Welcome aboard the Norwegian Encore. In today's video, we're going to check out Galaxy Pavilion. Great fun for young and old alike. Let's check it out right after this. Welcome to Taser Travel. Before we head into Galaxy Pavilion on the Norwegian Encore, if you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you're new here and like travel vlogs, cruise and travel tips, please click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload new videos. On board the Norwegian Encore, they have the virtual reality playground that they call Galaxy Pavilion. However, with everything gained, something must be lost, and many will be sad to see. Like her sister ship, the Norwegian Joy, they removed the free adults-only Spice H2O on Deck 17 at the back of the ship and replaced it with Galaxy Pavilion, a pay-per-use venue. Pricing for Galaxy Pavilion seemed to be different for our cruise. We were on the inaugural transatlantic cruise and prices were $8 per game, 4 games for $20, 10 games for $40, or 18 games for $60. You would be given a punch card, 1 punch per person per game. I was able to play different games on different days, and the cards could even be shared. For new cruises, people have been reporting that each game is still $8, but they no longer have the punch cards for multiple games. Instead, they allow unlimited play at $29 for either 60 or 90 minutes, or unlimited play for your entire cruise for $199. Personally, I like those punch cards better. There are many different virtual reality games that you can play in here. You can build your own roller coaster on Finger Coaster. Draw your roller coaster track on the screen, then take a seat and enjoy the ride on the coaster you just built. I didn't ride on this one, but watching a few others on it, it seemed to be rather short. There's also a race car simulator that for our cruise was priced separately at $20 per ride. You can even try out hang gliding or walk the plank with Vertigo. This looked so terrifying that I didn't even try it, even though I know that I would only be a few inches from the ground. One of my favorites was VR Maze. I played a couple different games on this one. Virtual Rabbids, a game where you shoot up some evil rabbits, and then Monitor's Maze, where you enter an ancient temple and battle past the bad guys with your bow and arrow in search of treasure. Both of these games were very fun and seemed very realistic. Then there's Descent. This is a game that I didn't play, but it sure looked like a lot of fun. These people here were sure having a blast. You can also try out your kicking skills and see if you can beat the virtual goalie in this soccer game. Next up, I tried Racetrack, a Formula 1 simulator that was excellent and perhaps the best game at Galaxy Pavilion. Race against 5 others while strapped into the seat that knocks you around just like you're in a Formula 1 race car on the track. There is also Jurassic Escape. Climb aboard this Jeep as your driver takes you on a harrowing trek avoiding the dinos. And be especially careful not to let the T-Rex get you. I did ride this one and it was a lot of fun, but I have to admit, it was a pretty short ride. So there you have it, Galaxy Pavilion on the Norwegian Encore. I had a lot of fun in here with a $20 4-punch card. What did you think of Galaxy Pavilion? Do you agree with them swapping out Spice H2O for this paid attraction? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.